Welcome, in front of me I have Honor 20 Lite, and today I will show you how you can clean your micro USB charging port. So at the first you have to prepare the good source of light, like in my case, and also you have get something like the thin object to put it right here inside. And I'm going to zoom in to show you how it looks into the best way. Okay, I think that right now you can see clearly that something is inside in our port. So let's grab our thin object and then just put it right here. As you can see here, we got dust. Let's try to remove other part of the dust. You can also make it from the second edge. Okay, I think that is all. So as you can see, inside we can find the dust, right? And right now we are able to easily input micro USB cable and charge our smartphone. So as you can see, it was very easy, and I hope that I help you. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and remember to subscribe to our channel. See ya!